Experience an authentic family fishing adventure with our product. Crafted by individuals hailing from New Zealand, renowned for their fishing expertise due to the country's $1.3 billion fish and seafood exports in 2006. This remarkable red shark is your dependable companion even during inclement weather, fearlessly navigating turbulent waters and currents while maintaining a steady course. With a remarkable range of 2,300 meters from the shoreline, it offers user-friendly settings suitable for all, including those less familiar with technology. For instance, configuring the course using the intuitive point-and-go mechanism takes mere seconds. Should the battery deplete during your fishing expedition, rest assured as the shark autonomously returns. Weighing a mere 12 kilograms, inclusive of the batteries, it's a lightweight option. Prices start at $2,550, offering a truly valuable investment. Transform lemons into laminate and leverage fishing holes to not only chill lemonade but other beverages too. This innovative item, resembling an inverted traffic cone, has the capacity to accommodate a dozen cans simultaneously. When you remove a can, another swiftly emerges due to the retractable base of this delightful contraption. As stated by the maker, your drinks will retain the frigidity of the fishing waters. This uncomplicated yet entertaining creation is available at a cost of $36. Displayed on the screens is a groundbreaking 5-in-1 creation, heralded by its creators as the inaugural system of its kind globally. This innovation enhances the fishing experience, fostering orderliness and tranquility. But what does it encompass? Let's delve into the details. An upholstered swivel seat, rod mounts, a compartment for arranging baits, hooks, and additional fishing paraphernalia, 2 submersible LEDs, a receptacle for holding beverages, and a specialized water holding section for accommodating your catch. Contained within a case resembling a paint bucket, this ensemble is available for purchase at a price of $80. The narrative behind its inception possesses the potential for cinematic adaptation. A devoted father's attempt to kindle his children's interest in fishing was hindered by the time-consuming preparations, leading the youngsters to opt for their Xbox and iPads instead. Undeterred, the father conceptualized this ingenious bucket solution. It's as simple as grabbing it and commencing your fishing venture. The children embraced the innovation, now relishing their fishing escapades. I'm a father raising 4 kids, and one of our cherished family activities is embarking on fishing adventures together. However, the cumbersome task of loading and transporting fishing rods in our vehicle was a consistent challenge. Lines tangling, hooks embedding into upholstery, and above all, the unsettling notion of potential accidents, shares the innovator behind another family-oriented fishing solution. A primary highlight of this creation is its adaptable configuration, which can be tailored based on the number of rods. For instance, you can initially acquire a stand for 4 rods and later expand it with 6 additional slots. Furthermore, the product incorporates multiple secure locks. These locks are skillfully interwoven through the reels, ensuring rod protection even during family errands like grocery shopping. The price for a 4-rod stand amounts to $195, while a single mini lock is available at $20. Just as with the preceding product, we take immense pride in the ingenuity of this resourceful father. How can you create an inventive fishing float that leaves your competitors envious? It's simple. Integrate a camera, incorporate Wi-Fi compatibility, and your merchandise can be marketed for $66. You'll have the ability to stream subaquatic vistas onto your Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. The gadget captures high-definition 720p video at a smooth 30 frames per second. To power it, you'll require AA batteries, with one offering a sufficient 2 to 3 hours of operation. Weighing a mere 46 grams, this float also facilitates microSD cards, potentially igniting ideas for your very own fishing-themed YouTube channel. Its operational range spans 100 meters. The designers explicitly note that in terms of clarity, the view closely resembles that of a person gazing through swim goggles. Number 6. Wheelcraft. The optimal solution for both ice fishing and hunting is how the creators of this versatile vehicle introduced their product. Rather than focusing on groundbreaking innovation, this vehicle essentially resembles a flat-bottom boat adapted for land use. With a weight of 522 kilograms and a capacity to carry up to 306 kilograms, it boasts a 26.5 horsepower engine and a fuel tank with a 19-liter capacity. It effortlessly navigates through snow, ice, mud, and even open water. The vehicle's clearance above the ground is adjustable, ranging from 0 to 28 centimeters. Equipped with a canopy and insulated floor, adverse weather conditions are no hindrance to an enjoyable experience. Moreover, if needed, you can create 4 fishing holes with a 25-centimeter diameter each, providing a sheltered space indoors. The 2022 edition of this vehicle is available for purchase at a price of $26,000. Our next spotlight is on this advanced bait boat, surpassing the capabilities of conventional vessels. Inside, you'll find ample space accommodating up to 3 kilograms of bait. Equipped with the Parrot's navigation system, sonar, and echo sounder, the latter operates effectively within a 300-meter range. The accompanying app simplifies configuration. Just set the route and baiting points, and let the boat handle the rest. With its intuitive app, you can also monitor operations and access data from your smartphone. Additionally, the product boasts a powerful 13,400 mAh battery, delivering 3.5 hours of uninterrupted work. Stay connected with fellow anglers through the app's social network feature to showcase your catch. Weighing 5.4 kilograms, this model is available for $1,800. In a world teeming with military, delivery, and rescue drones, one community was inadvertently overlooked: fishermen. Enter the Aqua Drone, a drone that effortlessly lands and takes off from water surfaces, fortified by its watertight casing engineered to withstand even saltwater environments. Capable of locating fish at depths reaching 40 meters, this drone integrates sonar technology, transmitting data via Wi-Fi up to a distance of 90 meters. Equipped with a remote control payload pod, this drone accommodates around 1 kilogram of bait. Its modular design allows for versatile add-ons, including the Aqua Data module, which assesses water conditions based on various parameters like face levels. A fusion of practicality and modern innovation. The price tag for this model stands at $7,100. Every winter angler has experienced the heartache of a sizable catch escaping at the last moment. It's from this shared frustration that the crappie coffin trap emerged. Simply lower the trap into the fishing hole and carry on as usual. When the fish starts biting, guide it into the trap to ensure it remains within reach. With dimensions ranging from 15 to 25 centimeters in diameter, this trap accommodates even thin, lightweight fishing lines. A depth-adjusting strap with a locking rod facilitates customization, while a rubber plastic composite ensures flexibility even in frigid conditions. Once you experience its effectiveness, the crappie coffin trap will become an essential part of your fishing setup. The manufacturer values this product at $45. The Overcap, a groundbreaking removable all-weather hood, extends its utility beyond just anglers to encompass hunters and hikers alike. Weighing a mere 400 grams, it withstands various weather conditions, offering protection against rain, snow, wind, and sun. Designed to attach seamlessly to backpacks, a specialized rain cap is available for added convenience. For those without backpacks, a mosquito net and back attachment system are provided. Unfolding and folding in a single motion, This hood stands at 36 centimeters in height and 33 centimeters in width. Choose from 3 color variations: camouflage, white, or black. A modest price of $144 accompanies this impressive offering.